Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Classic Ani, and first and foremost I want to thank you guys for 444 subscribers. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh. So today, as you guys can see, this hair is from Westkiss Hair. This video is not sponsored. I will be showing you guys what I did to get these honey highlights. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Love you. Okay guys, so this is the previous Westkiss hair unit. As you guys can see, it's looking a little rough. Okay, so we're gonna have to do what we have to do, and these are the tools we'll be using. So I have some BW2, some 30 volume developer, 40 volume developer, shimmer light shampoo, and some aluminum foil. Okay, so this first things first, I just combed out two pieces of hair towards the front. This may look familiar. I think everybody was doing this in 2019. I was trying to do minimal as possible because this is my first time really bleaching the hair for Westkiss hair besides the lace. But I have a really good feeling because it bleached really fast, the knots. So yeah, just putting those two up front, and I'm going to pull out a couple of other sections and we're going to see what happens next. You guys can probably already tell by the nature of the video that this is not an in-depth tutorial. I really want to just get in the habit of posting and showing you guys what I do as far as my hair. Just to get comfortable with just posting pretty much anything. Yeah, so this, I'm just showing you guys what I did. But if you do want an in-depth tutorial about anything, make sure you comment and let me know. Speak up, guys. Like, I don't care. Literally, I just, you know what I mean? I need to find my audience. I need to find my tribe. I'm a small YouTuber. And so, like, just let me know what you guys want to see. The fact that I have a couple of subscribers, that just really helps, you know what I mean? Motivate me to post. So I just want to know, like, okay, you guys subscribed. What do you want to see?
Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you're going. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me.
I know what you guys are thinking, like, is she going to wash the hair? Like, is she just really going to let it be like that? No, I'm not going to wash the hair yet. So the reason for that is because I want all those products, oils, and things like that to be stuck onto the hair before I put the bleach on there, because the chemicals that the bleach hold are so strong. You don't want to strip the hair and then put chemicals on it, because that's going to cause more breakage. So leaving the hair as is and bleaching it is going to help the hair be a little bit more healthier, and then you can go ahead and wash that off because you're already going to be washing off the bleach, right? There you go. So you're going to wash it regardless. There's no point of washing the hair twice in the middle of you putting chemicals on it, bleaching it and things like that. That's just going to weaken the hair, and it's just not a smart thing to do. I used some wig pins to hold down the aluminum foil before I brushed down the bleach onto the hair. As you guys can see, I am lighter towards the beginning of the hair, and I'm adding a little bit more consistency and product towards the middle and ends, just so we can have a natural transition ombre effect. That way it's just not like straight brown and then bleached and then looking botched and having spots. Like, that's not what we want. Like, of course not. You want to make sure you're being extremely delicate at the beginning of the hair, and then go ahead and give it that elbow grease towards the middle and ends. And here's me repeating the process for both sides of the hair as well as the other parts. I'm literally just adding wig pins if they're needed, brushing it, and then closing up that aluminum foil and allowing it to process. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I do put it on, I'll say at least an inch after where it's already bleached towards the roots. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but like I put it on an inch underneath it. That way it can have that natural ombre effect. Okay, so basically this was how much that was left of the bleach, so I estimated correctly, and then I let it sit for about 10 minutes and checked on it, and this is how it was looking. I wanted to see how bright it can get before it starts to over process, so I let it sit for an additional 10 minutes, and then you guys will see how that came out. Okay guys, we have our lovely Shimmer Light shampoo. Now this has a thick consistency, almost like the silicone mix, so I use about 5 to 6 squirts, and as you guys can see the level of water I have, you can feel the product a little bit, but it's not too heavy. What I also like to do is let the wig sit into this water for about 10 to 15 minutes and collect that lather and just massage the product through the hair. I usually know that it's all taken by just looking at the color of the water. It's like no longer purple, and it turns into a cloudy, murky type of water, and then that's how I know. I am washing and rinsing this hair out with cold water. So during the bleaching process, you're going to see that the hair is like warmer. If you put cold water on it, it can slow down and stop the bleaching process. That way the bleach doesn't get on the other pieces of hair and it's locked in. Okay, so I let this sit overnight to dry because I felt like putting heat on it probably would be a little bit extra. Like, I'm extremely sensitive when it comes to my wigs because, like, I think of it as my actual hair because this is human hair. Okay, so the next morning, this is how the hair looked, and I was like, what the is this? Like, what is going on? But it's not nothing that we can't fix with a little black spray and a wax stick. So, a good thing is that, you know, it's not that the hair has split ends, it's just the bleach parts. So, not a big deal, and let's just see what it do. This is me just styling the hair the best way I could, going in with that wax stick, as you guys can see, and that hot comb, just repeating the process so I can just sculpt the hair the best way I can. Most of the technical parts of me styling this wig will be during the install, but this is just give you guys a broad idea of what you want to do in terms of styling your wig.
Time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Okay, so this is what the wig light looks like before I define the part and go in with that black spray. It was looking a little crazy and child.
But I like to use a band and just go ahead and use my T-pins just to line it up a bit. Also, even when I'm done with this, I'm probably going to use some more black spray during the install to get a more precise, natural look. But this is just like basically like an outliner template, just to help guide me before I do install this.